Hey there, tool enthusiasts! Welcome back to the channel, where we bring you the latest and greatest in the world of tools and craftsmanship. Today, we're diving into brand new tools from Festool that are guaranteed to elevate your projects to the next level. Number 1. The Festool Air Purifier SYS-AIR M is an impressively designed air purifier, combines efficiency and convenience. It's lightweight, under 10 kilograms, and comes in the practical Systener 3M437 format, making it easy to transport and store. This device offers outstanding air purification with an air circulation rate of up to 680 cubic meters per hour. It's highly effective for spaces up to 57 square meters, providing 3 complete air exchanges per hour to maintain optimal air quality. For larger rooms or heightened air quality requirements, up to 6 SYS-AIR purifiers can be connected in series, allowing users to adapt as needed. The purifier features a handy socket for connecting additional SYS-AIR units or power tools. Its performance is adjustable based on dust volume, offering 2 selectable levels of airflow to suit varying needs. With a generous cable length of 7.5 meters, it provides excellent range and convenience during operation. Despite its power, it maintains a noise level of just 55 to 65 decibels, ensuring a quieter and more comfortable environment. The SYS-AIR M strikes a perfect balance between functionality and portability, making it a valuable tool for clean air management in various settings. It's a thoughtful choice for professionals and households alike. Number 2. The Festool CLEANTEC CT 36 E HEPA Dust Extractor is a fantastic solution for maintaining cleanliness and efficiency during various tasks. With its clever design, it ensures maximum utilization of the container volume, meaning there is no wasted space between the gross and net volume. It offers flexibility as it can be retrofitted with additional features like a compressed air or Bluetooth module, allowing remote control via the suction hose or automatic start using a Bluetooth battery pack. The compact, high-performance turbine guarantees consistently strong suction, making it highly effective for demanding work environments. The dust extractor comes equipped with a smooth suction hose and an optimized SYS dock, which includes a cord holder and T-lock functionality. This makes it easy to connect sustainers directly to the extractor, providing seamless integration for enhanced convenience. Its anti-static function is particularly useful, as it prevents static buildup during use, ensuring a safer and more comfortable working experience. Additional features like the hose garage and cable windup enhance organization and safety. The self-clean filter bag makes optimal use of the container's volume, delivering economical and efficient performance. Overall, it's a reliable and versatile dust extractor designed for professionals and enthusiasts alike. Number 3. The Festool Domino Joiner DF 500Q Set 100Y is a remarkable tool designed for creating flawless, floating mortise and tenon joints. This system offers the precision of a round dowel and the adaptability of a biscuit, resulting in joints that are robust yet invisible. Its versatility shines through its capability to accommodate various tenon sizes ranging from 4 by 20 mm to 10 by 50 mm, making it suitable for diverse applications. The innovative patented routing principle ensures unmatched accuracy while eliminating any chances of kickbacks, which enhances safety and ease of use. User convenience is clearly a priority, with easily adjustable stops for precision and an ergonomic design that supports comfortable operation in any position. The domino tenons are designed for maximum stability, creating rotation-proof joints that add reliability to your projects. Furthermore, the system accessories are compatible with both domino joiners, extending its functionality. This combination of unique features ensures that even demanding tasks can be performed with efficiency and ease. Whether for professional woodworkers or passionate hobbyists, the DF 500Q set is an exceptional addition to any toolkit, enabling high-quality, long-lasting results without compromising on usability. It's a perfect blend of advanced engineering and practical design. Number 4. The Festool Cal-C Cordless Task Light is a remarkable tool, providing efficient and bright lighting with 1,200 lumens of output. and a natural daylight-like color at 5000 Kelvin. This task light is powered by a Festool 18-volt battery pack, ensuring reliable performance across various tasks. It's built to adapt to your needs, featuring 3 brightness levels to adjust light intensity and an adjustable head that can swivel between 0 to 180 degrees. This allows you to direct light where you need it most, perfect for tight spaces or hard-to-reach areas. Designed to be robust, the KALC is both shockproof and resistant to dust and water splashes, making it durable enough for daily use. Its compact and portable build ensures it fits easily into most toolboxes or sustainer battery compartments. It is versatile too, as it can be hung on a hook or mounted on a tripod. With 24 LEDs and up to 90 minutes of illumination per battery amp hour, it provides extended lighting when using a higher capacity battery pack. However, it's worth noting that this product does not come with a warranty. Overall, the KALC is an adaptable and reliable companion for improving illumination on any worksite. Number 5. The Festool ExoActive Exoskeleton is a game-changer for anyone tackling physically demanding tasks, especially overhead work. Imagine being able to sand, paint, wallpaper, or install with ease, even when working on walls or ceilings. This innovative tool reduces the strain on your body by offering support when your arms start to tire. It enhances your efficiency, allowing you to focus better on the quality of your work while enjoying the process more. The power level of the ExoActive can be adjusted in seconds to provide targeted support exactly where you need it. The design is lightweight and user-friendly, functioning like a backpack. It is adjustable to fit your height, ensuring comfort during use. Its active system enables you to perform tasks without exhausting yourself, conserving energy and reducing the risk of long-term overloads. With 3 working areas and 5 adjustable settings, you can customize the level of assistance to suit your specific application. Its close-fitting structure ensures freedom of movement, while its washable textile parts make maintenance easy. As part of the Festool 18-volt system, it integrates seamlessly with system batteries, offering added advantages. The ExoActive is not just a tool, it's an investment in comfort and productivity for any demanding job. Number 6. The Festool Drywall Sander Planex LHS 2-M225EQ is engineered to achieve near-perfect surfaces with its random orbit sanding motion, providing smooth and uniform results that are highly desirable for finishing work. Its innovative adjustable suction power makes it easier to use by reducing strain on your arms and back. In fact, the sander holds its own weight against walls and ceilings, giving you more control and comfort during operation. It is also highly portable, designed to be easy to carry in its durable bag, ensuring convenience whether you're moving it between sites or storing it away. With an ideal length of 55 inches, this sander is optimized for standard room heights, giving you just the right reach. For even higher spots, the ergonomic T-shaped handle allows you to extend your reach comfortably. Built to last, the Planex features durable components and a brushless ECTEC motor, making it robust and reliable for repeated use. Its outstanding dust extraction system, when paired with the CT36EAC Planex Dust Extractor, allows for virtually dust-free sanding, ensuring cleaner work environments and healthier air quality. It's a tool made for efficiency, comfort, and professional-grade results. Number 7. The Festool Cordless Rotary Hammer Drill KHC18EB Basic is an exceptional tool designed for efficiency and versatility in demanding tasks. With a powerful ECTEC brushless motor and pneumatic hammer mechanism, it offers 2.6 joules of impact energy, making it highly effective for drilling and chiseling in concrete, stone, and masonry. Its ergonomic handle and vibration damper ensure comfortable handling during prolonged use. The SDS Plus chuck provides compatibility with hammer drills, drill bits, and chisels, while the keyless chuck allows effortless switching to work with wood and metal. One of its standout features is its dust management system. By using the optional dust extraction nozzle in combination with Festool's efficient extraction system, you can maintain a cleaner workspace. The Bluetooth-enabled battery pack or remote control adds convenience by allowing you to control the dust extractor easily. This tool is designed for various applications, from hammer drilling and chiseling to simple drilling. The functional switch simplifies transitions between tasks, and the reverse rotation option enables driving or removing screws. Thanks to its toolless chuck change system, the KHC18 supports a wide range of attachments, increasing its versatility. Whether it's precision or power you need, this tool helps you achieve faster, cleaner, and more efficient results. Number 8. The Festool Hole Drilling Set LR32 SYS is an impressive system designed for precision and efficiency when building cabinets based on the European frameless 32mm system. This set makes it straightforward to place cup hinges, such as 35mm ones, or to drill shelf pin holes in casework. What sets it apart is its portability. It allows you to carry out line-boring tasks in the field that were traditionally limited to shop settings, which is a game-changer for flexibility and convenience. The LR32 system works seamlessly with the Festool OF1010 router and guide rail system, ensuring accurate and consistent results. It is supported by guide rails available in 42-inch, 55-inch, and 95-inch sizes, providing versatility to suit various project sizes and needs. This compatibility ensures that the process remains smooth and efficient, whether you're working on compact cabinetry or large installations. Furthermore, the whole-line guide rails are a crucial element of the system. They enable precise drilling for perfect alignment, which is essential for achieving professional-grade results in cabinet construction. With the LR32 SYS, Festool delivers a powerful and portable solution for drilling tasks, making it easier to achieve precise craftsmanship wherever you work. Number 9. The Festool of 1010 REBQ Router is a versatile tool designed for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers. It offers exceptional ergonomic features, making it comfortable to handle thanks to its compact design and lightweight build. This ensures you can work for extended periods without fatigue. The router's design enhances your visibility of the routing area, giving you an unobstructed view for precise and accurate work. With a rechargeable LED work light integrated into its base, you can ensure your workspace is well lit even in dimly lit conditions. Its quick and easy bit-changing mechanism allows for smoother and more efficient operations. Precision is key in woodworking, and this router delivers with its simple depth adjustment system that is accurate to an impressive 1/256th inch or 1/10 millimeter. The tool remains steady during use due to its torsionally rigid base supported by guide columns on both sides. It features a parallel edge guide that is quick and easy to adjust with a central clamp, a fine adjuster, and tool-free adjustable fence pieces for convenience. The router is also designed with smart restart protection, ensuring safety and preventing accidental starts. It's a reliable and efficient addition to any woodworking setup.